Hello everyone. I made a video about this 1 year ago about ZKsync airdrop, which everyone could do. You don't need any technical knowledge. You don't need a degree, a master's degree, a PhD. It's very simple. Basically what to do from step by step. I explained every concept in like 10 minutes. You could make so much money in 10 minutes, or you could understand and manage your risks. And this video is the same. I'm gonna move to the next phase, which is a new one, but it's sort of connected to this one, still connected because it's the same method, but the new way. I mean, not the new way, but the same method. So here, guys, I explain everything, what I'm doing, the slideshow, the screenshots, right? This is the key thing. Basically, yep, here we go. Literally, like, not many people watched it. It was literally free, right? Like, it wasn't. I didn't sell you a course. I didn't say like pay me like $1,000 and then I'll explain to you. No, it was completely free. So now this video is also free. Uh, I'm gonna show you the new method. You can watch it, you can miss it, or you can just make money. So basically, how much I made is around 7,000. Well, technically it's like 15,000 during the listing time because it's like down 50%, right? If we look at the price of ZKsync right now, let's just take a look. It's actually the worst price for literally the ZKsync is the worst of everything. So guys, you can see here. So listing was around 21. So at the listing time, it's around 15,000. So you can see I claimed it. And then you can also see there is also airdrop for $500 from Zero token, layer zero. This is the price action of layer zero. Yeah, it's quite different. Uh, ZK was just down, but this one is, the ups and downs. So yeah, basically, guys, like actually, I spent more money on layer zero than on ZK and got less, but doesn't matter. So let me show you the new one. Right, so this is the thing, okay? You got it that this is like real proof that I got this money. Let me put this on the B bank for you guys. So yeah, you can see guys here. This is my D bank profile. You can see like balance everything. If we go to the ZKsync section here, ZKsync, you guys can see that here I claimed that money, and then I just sent to different exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, whatever. You guys can see here. It was okay, so it was around 11,000 something, before it dumped at the listing time. Yeah. Then, I started sending to Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, everything. Sold some, basically. Yeah. All right. Now let's move to the point. What I'm doing now, what I'm farming now. Like I said, you don't need any degree. This is the proof. Uh, what else do you need? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know. We can jump in the call. Doesn't matter. Literally, guys, I'm so tired. Like, I'm just telling to my friends, yo, bro, let me pay your gas fee. Let me just show this to you. Like, can you have like 10 minutes? Everybody's like, no, 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 no. Come on, bro. This is like no brainer. No brainer. Literally, no brainer. Even, yeah. Okay, so the new one, whatever. So the new one is here. You can see, guys, I have so many projects, but I'm going to just show you two of them. The two main ones. So one is scroll that I'm doing right now. I got around 100 points. What you need to do is the same as ZKsync. You can go and watch the video. It's literally the same. You just need to follow, like, they literally told you everything here. You just need to deposit these assets. That's it. Hold in your balance. That's it. Nothing fancy. You just need to act be just normal wallet, just have your wallet, bridge some funds, keep it there. Okay, I'm not capturing the right window right now. Yeah, here we go. The scroll. They even show you the apps, guys, here, right? Like ETH, USDC, everything. So you swap, that's it. Like just act normal, like you do on Solana on Ethereum, the same thing. But you don't need to gamble. On Solana, you know it's a meme coins, right? You need to like know which meme coin to buy, which meme coin to sell, when. But here you just do normal. Just hold Ethereum. That's it. That's it, bro. Literally. Another one is fuel. I'm around like 10,000 top right now. And yeah, it's going good so far. Top 10,000, probably a good airdrop. You can see guys here, like the leaderboard. The guy who is like the top one is holding how much? He's holding around, um, damn, 300,000. That's really low. That's really small money. Ah, okay. So he's holding 10,000 Ethereum, but the price is not available. Okay, let's pick another one. Um, 9 million. Okay, this one is available. 9 million, guys. This is crazy, guys. 9 million. And you know what, bro? Like, when the fuel started, bro, TVL was like the one guy holding like 300 million. Just the one guy. I think he left his position. So the thing is here is you just need to hold the money. That's it. If you withdraw your money, you're gonna lose it. So I think the guy lost it. I mean, like when he lost his points when he withdrew the money. So you just need to keep it. Like, bro, imagine you have like spare 50 bucks, right? Everybody has spare 50 bucks, right? Just put it here, come back 3 months, get your airdrop, rotate, get your pizza money, sushi money, whatever, start acquiring capital. And like, I know it sounds small, like let's say you get $1,000, if you're from the US, it's small money, right? Well, you can scale then, bro, like no problem. You can do 10 accounts. You can do like 20 accounts. It's not hard. Like, yeah, literally, that's it. And also, guys, like, bro, that's it. Literally, like, I have no words. I don't want this video to be so long. I know you guys will not watch it anyway, but bro, like, this is so easy, bro. Like, so easy. Literally, it's like just one button. You click, that's it. And like, you can earn so much money by referring people. Like, like I'm referring you right now. Let's say if you refer some whale or like how to say, like you put your invite link in the Twitter, in the Telegram, in Discord, and somebody joins it. Let's say somebody joins Fuel using your referral link, bro. You're gonna, of course, you're not gonna get his points, but you're gonna get the. I mean, you're not gonna get his funds, but you're gonna get the points. So let's say you don't have any money, you just put $10, you know, and then somebody joins your referral link and puts $1 million, like here, like 9 million, Well, let's say just $10,000, bro. Like you're gonna get that points, and the network is gonna like reward you because you invited someone. It's a liquidity, Some money is flowing in, some money is coming in, so it's nice. So yeah, guys. I mean, damn, bro. Like, I hope I'm just trying to be chill with you. I'm trying to be live with you, just being real. I don't want this fancy like screaming, titles, thumbnails, whatever. Bro, just that's it. Like there is no secret. There's nothing special. Many people do it anyway. You can find them on Twitter. You can Google Arbitrum airdrop, right? Like let's Google now, for example. Let's see. Let's see. Damn, it's lagging. Anyway, you can just ask people around. There are many people who actually benefit from this. Like, bro, I, bro, this is all. Up to you. If you want to, take my advice and make some money, it's fine. You can just later thank me like, yo, bro, I got this airdrop, thank you. It's fine. If not, bro, like just keep watching, just keep going. See you then.